Hi everyone, welcome back to Educase. So, as I said earlier, we're going to see how to tackle exercise one. So let me take my calculator because there are some calculations we're going to be doing. So exercise one says we should determine the empirical formula. So A, carbon, the percentage of carbon, 92 by 3. Percentage of hydrogen is 7.7. So carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1. So let's do the division. 22.3 divided by 12 because 7.69. Yes, 7.7. So divide by the smallest 7.69. 7.69. Big one is done. And then I'll come here because no CH. So let's determine the molecular formula. N into empirical formula because molecular formula. N into CH equals that's it. 13N equals 67 is 8. Because carbon is 12, not 1. That's 8. So N equals, so it's 8. 30. Or 6. N equals to 6. So the molecular compound is 6 into CH, which is C6, H6, which is benzene. So our benzene compound. They're asking us to see telling us through the different ways of representing the compound. So C, I'm going to draw a equivalent structure and a model structure. So there are two main ways of representing benzene. Either you represent benzene using ordinate, double, and single bond, or you represent benzene using an aromatic ring. So this telling us that one at a time of hybridization of benzene. So we have to know that single bonds are sp3 hybridized, double bond are sp2 hybridized, and triple bond are sp hybridized. In this case, in our compound, we have double lock. So the carbons atom are sp2 hybridized. So thank you for watching and follow more on Educase.